Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Ranjani. Welcome to my channel. Today's look is about Mehendi Sangeet look. Yes, it is all about celebration, fun, colors, light and music. So if you're attending any party, this is the best elegant go-to look. It's more of a sheer makeup with cut crease eye look and a bold red lips. Yeah, without further delay, let's get into the video. I just applied moisturizer and I'm priming my face with Makeup Forever HD primer. Just apply all over your face and blend in. Leave in for a couple of minutes so that your skin gets absorbed all the hydration. For the brows, I have taken Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Granite. Using the brush, sketch out the shape from the middle and fill in the sparse area. And blend that with spoolie. Using the Sephora concealer, I'm cleaning up the border of my brows to give that defined look, clean look. And blend that with a beauty blender. For the cut crease look, I have taken the Morphe and Tarte palette. I'll mention the palette details below in the description. I've taken the warm brown shade as a transition shade. I know, I always pick the warm shade. I love neutral colors. Yeah, just take it in the blending brush. I've taken a medium blending brush. This is the Morphe brush. Someone have asked me about the brushes too. All my brushes are like eye brushes are Morphe brushes, and I have a couple different brands of face brushes. I'll mention all those in the description box below. Whenever you hold the brush, make sure you hold it in the tip of the brush so that it gets blended easily without leaving any harsh lines. I'm placing the brush in the outer corner of the eye and I'm just stamping the color on. Don't worry about the blending. Just focus on getting it on the shape first. I'm taking the same concealer to cut my crease with a flat shaded brush. The way I cut the crease today is just draw the line from where you want to cut the crease to the center and fill the lid with a concealer. Just drag it slowly and fill it. If you want, you can blend with the fingers so that it gets settled easily. I'm taking this metallic brown shade to fill the lid. It's kind of wine red and brown. Yeah, I just love this color. I'm blending the edges too. Just feel free to explore any color you love. From the Tarte palette, I have taken this champagne colored shade to fill in the inner corner of the eyes. Take the flat brush and just push in the color. I have used the sticky tape in the corners to get that straight edges. Whenever you do this kind of look, I recommend using sticky tape. That gives the clean, crisp look. I'll show you. Like, see how sharp the eyes look. Setting my brow bone with the same champagne color. I don't know, I always use like bronze and champagne shades. I think I should switch to different colors. For color correcting, I have taken the Illegal Pro Color Corrector in an orange shade. Just blend in. For the foundation, I have taken Makeup Forever HD foundation. Just keep dots all over the face and blend with the beauty blender. I've taken the same Sephora concealer to conceal and highlight my under eye area. Using the beauty blender, I'm blending in an upward motion. Yeah, that gives that lifted look. To give that sharp wings, I have taken Maybelline eye pen. I'm not sure about the name exactly, but the brand is Maybelline. I'll give the details below on the description box. To tighten my waterline, I have taken Smashbox Khol pencil and I'm lining my waterline with it. I'm taking that brown shade to smoke out my entire lower lash line. And I'm filling that inner lower lash line with the metallic champagne color. For the contouring, I have taken the powder contour from Cover FX palette. I'm just doing it very mildly to give that structure. I'm just doing it in my forehead and cheekbones, bridge of the nose. And I'm blending with a buffer brush. I've taken Artist Couture highlighter to highlight bridge of the nose, highest point of my cheekbones, forehead, and cupid bow just to look good on those pictures. Now onto a quick coat of mascara before going to lips. I've taken Benefit Real Lengthening Mascara. For the lips, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Demi Matte Red Lipstick. I'll mention the shade below. Wow, that red lips completes the entire look beautifully. I'm setting my makeup with a nice spray of Milani Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And I think I'm pretty set. I hope you like this look and the way everything came together. If you did, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be posting 2 videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I have linked to my social media account and the product details down in the description box. Do check out. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching. You guys take care. We'll see you on Thursday with a brand new tutorial. Bye.